Parker,
What?
why does your room stink?
Because of dog piss.
Welcome to my video of getting rid of the dog's toilet, aka Parker's bedroom carpet. So about 10 years ago, no, it hasn't been 10 years. How long has it been?
Since when?
Lindsay lived here.
Oh.
5 years ago? We'll say 5 years ago. My sister-in-law, his aunt, had a dog, Australian Shepherd, and they lived in this room for a year. And the dog peed everywhere. So now our dogs think this room, when we wash the carpets at least 5 times, but they think this room is a bathroom. So at night, when my bulldog, or we're asleep, my bulldog comes in here and pees in the middle of the night. So Allison wants hardwood floors. Is that right, Allison? Yeah. Yeah. But we decided that we're going to do stained concrete. Whole lot cheaper. Half the work, maybe. But we got to get all this furniture out of here. Pull this carpet up. You ready to help, Parker?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
My kids don't want to work. Weston, you want to help me? He's not even in there. He's hiding somewhere. Got all the furniture out. Now I gotta figure out how to pull all this carpet out of here. I've never done this before. So this will be fun. We're also gonna do Weston's room.
Hi.
We now know why this room smelled like a doggy toilet.
What?
Either that's Parker peeing on the carpet. Or a lot of dog pee. Gotta pretend like this tractor is a good service. So it'd been just as easy carrying this carpet over here to this trailer where I'm about to take it. But instead I put it on the front end loader. So Allison will think this tractor was a good decision. Watch it fall off. Anyway, it's kind of good help though. Definitely not necessary, but watch this wind's gonna blow it off when I get out around this house. So we got all the carpet out of here. Last night, I had to run Home Depot get some stuff. Looks like they put glue around the edges here. Looks like I got a blade that's gonna take that up. And another problem is these holes coming from the tack boards. I'm going to use, and also this, they painted the edge here from the baseboard, looks like. So I'm going to use some of this concrete patcher. I had a bucket of this in the barn. I'm going to go ahead and put it all around the edge here, cover up these holes. I think I have to actually get the grinder out and get this carpet stuff up. Looks like, anyway, I may go ahead and put the patch down so it'll go ahead and dry, and then I can get the rest of it done later. But I'm going to put it around all the edge. I'm going to mix it in this bucket here. This is a bucket, a pig feed bucket. I'm going to mix some of this and some water and get busy patching that stuff up. As you can tell, there's some pretty bad areas that need to be patched. So after my grinder burned up, I went through and scraped all that stuff off with that tool, the masonry tool, what the hell it's called, I can't remember. Anyway, now I'm going to take some paint thinner, or they call it etch, If you hear it etch, it's the same thing apparently. It's paint thinner and etch. I'm just gonna spray it where that glue was at. So I got all the big stuff off. I'm gonna mop this up with vinegar water. I'm not sure if vinegar and paint thinner react. I didn't do any research online, so if I died during the shooting of this film,
I didn't do it.
all my life insurance would go to her. So this glue is killing me. So I got it wet. Now I'm scraping with a spatula again. It's coming off a little bit, but not very well. I'm ready to give up. But I can't. You gotta finish. You see that stuff? This is good. It has to come off. You can't paint on top of that. So, or stand on top of that. So the job got too bad. Couldn't breathe. So Wes and I ran to town and get some respirators.
And a carpet.
Oh yeah, some rugs. And some more stain.
Yeah, that's
But Weston can't figure out the instructions for these respirators.
it. That's why I got YouTube.
He's going to YouTube some instructions for these things.
This video. An additional segment demonstrates fit testing your respirator. In the U.S., OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, requires fit testing to ensure that your respirator fits properly. It is your employer's responsibility to ensure that you receive a fit test when the respirator is first issued to you, and then at least once a year. You will only get the protection this respirator can provide if it fits you properly.
I think we messed up.
I'm rather one painting one you showed the mess up. Yeah.
So it's 6:30 Sunday evening. My floor still isn't done. We put the stain down and it looks better in real life in this video, but problem are the edges. We can't get where that paint, where that baseboard is at. We can't get those edges right. So probably have to put some paint down on that. Anyway, I'm giving up. I think I'm going to call a professional and have them come put some wood or some vinyl flooring down for us. This looks like garbage. Nothing else. Let's got all the carpet out of here. In my son's room too. This room is full of all their furniture. Can't wait to get that out of here. Weston's room is equally as bad. They are living in the RV right next to our house right now. But hopefully we'll have them back in the house soon. If not, this could be all week project.